friends, today we are going to talk about an important topic, that is getting to know more plants. It's a very interesting topic. We are going to touch with our nature. In the nature, or if you look around, we can see different types of plants. And we know that plants are very essential in our day-to-day life. Without plants, there is no life for animals. Right? So, shall we move to the new topic? It is a topic from biology part. So, it's a very interesting topic. Let's move to our parts. All human beings and all animals are dependent on plants. Okay? And we get oxygen, we get wood, medicine, food, all these from plants. And some plants are very tall and some plants are very short. Now we are going to see the different body parts of plants. There are leaf, flowers, fruits, stem, roots, etc. And children, according to the size of stem or trunk and the branching pattern, we are going to divide the plants into trees, herbs, shrubs, climbers and creepers. Let's see what is a herb, what is a shrub, what is tree, what is climber and what are creepers. Okay. First one is tree. We all are familiar with the trees. Trees are having thick and strong stem and they are very tall, right? They are very tall and are having thick and strong stem and big brown woody stem. It is called trunk. Children, trees are very tall and they are having thick and strong stem and they got big and brown woody stem. And this woody stem is known as trunk. And what about their branching pattern? You see, their branches are in the upper region. Okay, you can find the branches in the upper region of the big trees. And what about their lifespan? They live for a long time. And what about this branching pattern or their branches? They need large space. They need large space for spreading their branches. Let's see a few examples. Coconut tree, neem tree, ashoka tree, mango tree, pine tree, banyan tree. All these are examples for trees. Now let's move to shrub. Shrub means it is very short. They are having hard and thin stem. What about their branches? Branches begin from the base near to the ground. Did you see? And not only a single stem or trunk, they got many trunks. But in bigger plants, we have seen a thick and stout single trunk, right? Okay. And from that, the branches are rising. Here you can see many trunks, many smaller and thin trunks. Okay. And what about their branching pattern? They need smaller space. They no need of that much space just like trees. They need a smaller space to spread their branches. Okay. And their lifespan is very short. Okay. They live for a short span of time. Okay. Let's see a few examples. Rose plant, cotton plant, hibiscus, all these are examples for shrubs. Okay, and they are bushy plants. Okay. Okay, now let's move to herbs. Herbs. We all are familiar with the herbal plants. Okay, when we observe these herbal plants, we know that they are very short and they are very green and tender. Okay, we can see very green and tender stem. Okay, and they do not have many branches. Okay, we can't see many branches here. And they take a very little space for spreading their leaf. Okay, and they are very weak and their stem is very thin and green. Okay, when we compare to shrubs and trees, these herbs got very short span of life. Now let's see a few examples of herbs. Okay, can you say few examples of herb? Yes, aloe vera, coriander, tulsi, wheat, paddy, spinach. All these are examples for herbs. Now we are familiar with trees, shrubs and herbs. Now let's move to creepers and climbers. We know that few plants are very weak. They got very weak stem, so they are not able to stand upright. Such plants are known as creepers and climbers. In your smaller classes, you have studied it. Okay, this means they creep on ground. They spread on ground. Okay, they spread on ground. And what about their stem? They got very soft, weak and green stem. Okay, and they could not stand on its own stem. Okay, they need support. Okay, such plants are known as creepers. Creepers means they spread on ground or they creep on ground. If you look, they spread on ground or they creep on ground. If you look around, you can find many creepers. Here, pumpkin, watermelon, all these are very example for creepers. Also having weak stem. They are example for climber, money, very weak stem, very soft, green and weak stem. Okay, shall we see few examples? Okay, children, they are also having tendrils. Do you know what is tendril? See, this is known as tendril. You can see these plants to attach on others. Okay, so what are the examples for climbers? Bitter gourd, pea plant, bean plant, bottle gourd. All these are examples for climbers. Children, I hope you got a clear idea about herbs, shrubs, climbers and creepers. Right?